Hello friends, hope you're all doing fine. Today I'll be telling you the conjugation of verbs ending in IR. We have already done one lesson in which I told you how to conjugate the verbs ending in ER, which are regular verbs. The verbs ending in ER are regular verbs. There is one exception, that is ale. The rest of the verbs fall in the category of irregular verbs. So irregular verbs means generally there will be no rule. But there is a rule for IR verbs. For some there are still exceptions in IR, but then there is a set pattern in IR verbs. So today I am telling you how to conjugate verbs ending in IR. Here we are taking today this verb which is choisir. Choisir means to choose. So whenever you write the conjugation of a verb, you must know the meaning. Whenever you're practicing the conjugation, you must first write the verb and then you must write the meaning of the verb, so that whenever you are making the sentences or you are using it in your language, you must be clear with the meaning also. So choisir means to choose. This is IR ending verb here. How do we conjugate IR ending verb here? We remove IR and then take the rest of the word. Rest of the word here is CHOIS. So with je, it is CHOIS, and then the ending, we add the endings. The ending here is IS. So it becomes je choisis. When S comes between two vowels, then the sound of S is Z. I have already told you. So here it is coming between two I, that is a vowel. So here the pronunciation is Z. So je choisis. Then tu choisis, ending again with tu is IS. Je choisis, tu choisis. With il, the ending is IT. But pronunciation is same. Il choisit. Il choisit. Elle choisit. Now we come to the plural part. Nous choisissons. Ending here is, we have taken CHOIS from here and we have added the endings. The ending is ISSONS. Here we have 4 S in the word, and this S is coming between two vowels. That is why the sound is Z. Here this S is coming between one vowel and one consonant. When the S comes between one vowel and one consonant, it is pronounced as S. And here the S is coming in the end as a consonant, so it is not pronounced. So the conjugation is nous choisissons. Nous choisissons. With vous, the ending is ISSEZ. ISSEZ. The pronunciation is vous choisissez. With il plural, the conjugation is ils choisissent. The ending is ISSENT. Pronunciation is choisissent. So the endings for IR verb is IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Similarly, you can practice more verbs for remembering the conjugation of IR. You can conjugate one main verb here, which is finir. Finir means to finish. This will also be conjugated in the similar manner. You can conjugate verb maigrir. Maigrir means to go thin, to grow thin. Then you can use the verb rougir. You can conjugate rougir is to redden. So you can conjugate these verbs. You can practice at home to learn the conjugation of verbs ending in IR. I hope you understand the conjugation of verbs ending in IR in today's lesson, and you would practice. And hope if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, I would like if you send it to me through my email, or in the comment sections you can write. I would be happy to help you in your pursuit of learning French. So for today, I say au revoir. Goodbye, friends. See you soon.